In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix the unable to launch game GTA 5 error. Make sure to watch this entire video because I'll be showing a couple different methods. And yeah, the very first thing you guys need to do is to open up the game directory. So to actually do that, it depends on which game launcher you used. So let's say you use Steam, go ahead and open up Steam, go to library, find GTA 5 and then just right click on it. Click on properties, find GTA right here, right click on it, click on manage. So go ahead and find GTA. Let's say this is GTA right here, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. And that should be your game directory. If you guys are using Epic Games, go ahead and open it, click on your library, find GTA, click on the three dots right here and you guys should see manage. And then from there you can open up your game directory. In my PC, GTA is installed in D and then Grand Theft Auto 5 right here. And now once you guys are in your GTA folder, go ahead and in the search bar type in X input, click on enter, and you guys should find this file right here. So go ahead and click on it, then right click and click on delete, click on continue. Once it's deleted guys, launch your Rockstar Games launcher, click on settings under GTA, and now guys disable BattleEye. Now close it and restart the game. If that didn't work guys, here's the second method. Open the game directory once again guys. And now in the search bar type in args, click on enter and you guys should find this file right here. So go ahead and right click and then delete it once again, click on continue. Once you guys have deleted it, go to Steam, find the game once again, click on manage. Once you guys have deleted it, go to Steam, right click on the game, click on properties. Right here under launch options, type in -no BattleEye and then space minus again, no BE. Exit out of it guys. If you guys are using Epic Games, go to your library, click on the three dots, click on manage, and right here, enable the launch options. And now type in the exact same thing as we did in Steam, -no BattleEye, and then space -no BE, and then close it. And now when you guys start your game, everything should be fine. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. If it helped you out, please consider subscribing and liking, and peace.